made in Germany.
Were you born in Germany?
No, I was born in the women's dormitory.
Where's that? Where?
In Illinois.
Oh, wow.
It was a hospital at the time, but they changed it into a nursing.
Oh, I couldn't.
You know that one?
Yeah.
I don't.
There you go. Hey, bravo!
My tango partner just said.
For the cross-country skiers, the classic skiers stay in the tracks,
Oh, see, look.
and the state skiers stay out of the track, but on the groomed trails.
Oh, how cool.
So this is a
You just
winter
ride into
wonderland
the
for you guys. It's a beautiful day to be on this ride.
Isn't that awesome? I'm gonna start crying right now.
Esto es un regalo.
Yeah.
This is like
It's so pretty. I'm really gonna cry. No, don't tell them I'm gonna cry. I just want to. So beautiful. No, I'm crying because I'm happy. Oh, yeah, she doesn't care about you.
Big kid.
Yeah.
funny.
Hands on the snow to steer. See, that's,
Okay.
Yeah. Pick your feet up now.
Pick your feet up. Steer with it. There you go.
Oh my god, 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 oh my god. And I'm going to tell you to brush up and everything. Oh my god, it's a race.
That was good. Gino! Yes, sir.
And this one. I have one more.
Thank you, darling.
Oh, yes, one more. Yes.
So this is the original cell phone in Switzerland. And they're long, narrow valleys, and they had to, we call each other for help, put up the hay, build the barn, need a midwife, have a smorgasbord, we're going to have a party. So they start like this.
Smorgasbord. That's Close Encounters.
Yeah, that is closing.
You're calling aliens.
The area code.
Yeah.